It's nice when you have the right tools. Brand new. I got another tire at home, so I need to mount it on the wheels. Milwaukee. They sell the other one like this at Harbor Freight.
Now he was mentioning that he has a better tire than this one at home to be his spare, but he just needs to put it on the wheel.
Yeah. I mean, right now, look at this.
But for today, that will be his spare because that's all he has.
Look at that.
Oh yeah, huge difference.
All right.
And we're here at a recovery location waiting for the vehicle, and he tends to do little things that he, like, yeah.
Go grab me the gun. Woo! Man, that was quick.
He keeps the gun and a fully charged battery in his car at all times, just in case.
Yeah, because you never know. You never know, buddy. What I do, I like to cross them like that. Okay. Let's do the orange. I gotta go all the way around. That's the orange. You don't want to over torque them where you're gonna break the lug nut. Did I say lug nut? That's it.
And of course he uses a bottle jack.
Well, I don't see no other way of doing this.
And when you're preparing your items, make sure it's very important that you have a wrench that's going to fit the lug nuts.
So, when I first started, I was doing this by hand. Oh man, no.
He got a flat tire.
Never again.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got my first flat tire at the auction. Told myself never again. And not only that, we were loaded. think we're going to Roseville, and that kind of put me behind. So it took me about a half hour to change the tire. This will take you less than 5 minutes. Spend a little more money, save more time, make more money.
I think what's going to take longer is trying to put this tire back on the rack.
No, that's an easy part.
If you haven't already, please subscribe. I'm hoping to get 10,000 subscribers. I know there's a lot of people out there that watch the videos but don't subscribe. Please subscribe.
I'm going to show you guys an easy way of doing this. If you can't pick this up, are you recording?
Yes.
So this is what you do. No, I don't need your help. I need you to record this. So what you do, you put the ramps down. I don't know if you guys got that or not. No? Woo.
Very easy.
Yeah, well, I don't know if you guys got that or not, but that's here, our van. It's pretty easy, huh? If you're doing this by yourself? Okay, all right. We're gonna grab the van. That's good if it starts. Hey, I think. Wow, I wish you would record that. Does it start?
No, I just jump started.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
You may not have seen from the angle I had the camera, but what he did is he took the tire. Of course, he already had the ramps down, and he rolled the tire on the ramps up the trailer, and then it was very easy to put it on the stand there.
I was always afraid to get a flat tire because the hardest part about getting a flat tire, trying to put the spare tire back on top of the rack right there. So what I did, I got the tire, rolled it back up there, saved my back. Okay, I'm not strong like I used to be. Okay, let's get this thing loaded.
So the key thing is to have the ramp down when you do that. Have the upper deck up, right?
I have the ramp up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah.